Hey guys, welcome back. It's Meka from Yes Please Planning. Today I am going to walk through my entire B6 setup. This is the Traveler's Notebook that was included as a gift with the December Planner Society kit. So let me go ahead and walk through what I've gotten here. So on the outside I have it adorned with this super pretty pink tassel from Hot Pink Fluff and this absolutely gorgeous bow from Michaels. So on the front inside pocket, I've got this January calendar card from, Naomi Love Designs. If you check her shop, I will link them down below. She makes these for each month. And so this is a trifold folder. I have a complete series of how I set this whole thing up from start to finish. I will link those videos down below, but basically I just use mostly goodies from the Planner Society, plus a couple of embellishments from my stash to decorate the front and all the different surfaces. This is a sticky notepad that came with the kit, and so I just took a few of the sheets, added it on here, and then some page flags from Michaels. I stuck just the back few page flags inside this adhesive pocket and left the front few dangling off so that I can take one off at a time without having to take out the entire set. There's another adhesive pocket here that I'm just including some mini sticker sheets. And then for the inside here, I've got another notepad from the Dollar Spot and then a die cut up front on top just for decoration. And these stickers, they are formatted with kind of a slot in here, so you can use them in the actual strings of your Traveler's Notebook, or you can just do like I did and put them inside your folder. This folder is actually an insert, so I could use it inside the strings, but I just chose to have it out here so that I can easily just grab it out and use the things inside. And in the back I have some note cards. This adorable martini glass paper clip, I believe I got it from Marshall's. This spoiled script acetate Michaels. So you can see how I decorated this insert cover, aka dashboard. This is my notes insert, and super simple DIY page marker made from acetate and a page marker that's included with the TPS kit. This, I didn't have a monthly insert, so I found this calendar from last year's Dollar Spot that I had never used, so I figured I would just use that inside my Traveler's Notebook. And then I just used an inspiration card from Simply Gilded. This sweet little pom-pom clip came from Henny TJ Craft Cottage. Let's see, the back of this insert is another adhesive pocket with some journaling cards, and this die cut I made from the Christmas Planner Society digital kit. I just added the words cozy and warm to the front. This is vellum that I adhered some trim as well as a doily too with an inspiration card. I used a Target Dollar Spot for the inside, and I have my 30-day fitness challenge calendar in here. This is honestly too small, so I have another one that's printed out, but I thought it was really cute. So this is my health and wellness tracker. I have a die cut here. I believe she's from Golden Plans & Co. And so I made this health and wellness tracker myself for my own needs. So basically what happens with me is instead of writing breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I like to focus on the types of foods that I'm trying to eat. Like if I'm really trying to eat a lot of protein and really trying to eat a lot of things with antioxidants, I like to record it by type of food as opposed to what did I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so that I can kind of be more accountable instead of just having it all mixed all over the place. If I'm eating steak and chicken and beans for my protein, I can see it all there. And if I don't have enough for any particular day, then I know I need to start focusing on adding that back into my diet. So that's what I have going on here. There's a section for fillers, which means cookies, other carbs, pasta, rice, and other things that are just not really adding much to my nutrition. Somewhere for exercise, how I'm feeling with mood and energy, water and sleep. And then on the bottom there are trackers for reminding myself basically to take my supplements and medications. The only thing about this is that I only have it for 6 days, so it's Monday through Saturday, and that actually works out fine for me. I could have made another, like a larger sheet, so that I could have it have a Sunday as well, but I was looking back at how I originally was doing this. This was my Recollections fitness planner from last year. So I realized that I wasn't actually using the weekends very much anyway. I kind of, not necessarily slack on what I'm eating, but slack on all the tracking and planning and just kind of relax. So I felt like I didn't really need a Sunday. So I'm going to work with that and see how it goes. And then I just made a couple of different page designs. So there's one with hearts, there's one with bows. This bow is from the December Planner, no, not December. This is from the Christmas Planner Society digital kit. This is just the back of that insert. The next insert has vellum as well, trimmed with some pom-pom trim. Now this insert is my weekly planner, and I actually am not using this traveler's notebook as a daily, weekly kind of thing, just as I sort of see fit to use it. And for weekly, I don't plan my weeks out in a typical way. I'm more of a daily planner. So I use my weekly for memory keeping. So I just made this simple, flexible layout. It's got 6 columns, so I can put Saturday and Sunday together, or I can do Sunday all in one big chunk. I can make it however I want. And so this is kind of the style that I have been doing with this insert. The back of this insert, I have a print from Vashti Harrison. She makes the most amazing artwork. I will link her down below so you can ooh and ah. So next up, this is the back of that insert, and I just grabbed some sticky notes from a Planner Society kit from quite a while ago. This is from the November kit, and it's this beautiful laser cut kind of doily pattern here, but the whole folder was made out of this, I guess, manila material. And so what I did was I adhered paper to the entire thing, front and back. Have some of the skinny sticker sheets in here, so you can see is the back of that. And then inside I decorated this panel, and then this is just a pocket here. I could have made this another trifold so that it could open up. I could have made this into a functioning pocket. I just decided not to do too much for everything, but those are some ideas. This beautiful bow is from K&Co XOXO on Etsy. She makes the most gorgeous bows. They're just really streamlined. I just love how clean they are. She's got really good quality in how she makes them, and she uses these chunky paper clips, which I love. Here, this was a digital girl that I modified for myself. Used the quote card from the Planner Society kit, some vellum, doilies. And so this is my doodling and lettering practice insert. I'm taking a lettering class with Robin Jackson, and it's a month-long class, and what I decided was to do a sample, a before class sample, so I have that here, and as I practice throughout the month, I'll be able to see my progress and then do a post-class sample and compare. And so that is that, and then I have kind of class schedule there. This paper, as well as, if you noticed, this one, this bow pattern, it actually comes black with the Christmas Digital Planner Society kit in the Christy Tomlinson Etsy shop, but I just took that file into Photoshop and did it navy blue and pink, and I did some other colors as well. This page topper again is from the December Planner Society kit. And toward the end here we have another Simply Gilded inspiration card. I love the cards that come with the Simply Gilded washi. Always beautiful and foiled. They're like basically collector's items. This is a digital file from the Planner Society, and it actually, she made several different types of files, so you can check them out. So I just printed a bunch, cut them all out by hand. It was easier than dealing with my silhouette. And so I have them in here along with some more journaling cards. And that, my friends, is it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you sharing your time with me. Make sure you come and say hi on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye-bye.